Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Mirian Dike. For my old subscribers, I welcome you guys. For my new subscribers, thank you so much. Don't forget to click on that red button that says subscribe, so whenever I put a new video, you can be notified. This video is all about how I achieved this cake in less than 1 hour. Oh guys, just look at it. This cake is really good. Tastes yummy, and as you can see, the style is very simple. So grab anything eatable around you and let's get started. So here are my ingredients. You can go ahead and check the description box and see the quantity you can use for this cake. So this is the cake pan I use for this cake because I don't want this video to be too long. So that's the reason I cut off where I was mixing the cake. Okay, you guys know already how I'm mixing it, or you know already how to mix cake, so you don't need it. So here are the things I need for the decoration of this cake. So if you don't have that white material, you can go ahead and buy your own, or you do it yourself. My own, I did it myself. So because I can crochet, so that's the reason why I did my own. If you can go ahead and buy your own. So right now I'll go ahead and take the quantity of icing sugar I need for the decoration of the cake. Why I like this style is that it's very simple and easy to do. Just less than 1 hour and you're done. Continue with whatever you want to do. So I'm very happy once I have a place that I want to attend, party, or there is a celebration my kids are doing in their school, or any kind of celebration I want to do, just small celebration get together. I'll just do this cake quick, put it in the design I want it to be, and it's good to go. So I have a lot of crochet material ties I'm using depending on the one I want to put on top of the cake, and depending on the type of design I just want to put on it. So, and it's okay for me. So in less than 1 hour I'm done. So this type of design decoration is the type I normally do once I don't want to waste time in the kitchen and I don't have enough time. If I'm going a place that are doing celebration or party and the place requires that somebody will come with something very presentable and I feel like to present a cake, I will just do this one quick and continue with the rest of the things I'm supposed to prepare. So this cake is good for those that really doesn't want to waste time in the kitchen, like in 1 hour or less than 1 hour. In less than 1 hour you are done and continue to with everything other things you are arranging. So this is the way I used to do it. As you can see, this thing is rumpled. I mean, the crochet material is rumpled, so I just want you to know if it is rumpled you cannot use it. So you have to go and press it and make sure that it is straight so that you can achieve. of this cake? Who really liked this cake? Is the design good or not? Just let me know at the comment section. Just take a look at that. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.